Let's find out where patents are stored today. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner-founder at Bold Patents Law Firm, also a patent attorney who's helped thousands of inventors over the years. I've also written Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents, and helped inventors get over 300 patents as of today. So let's dig into this question about where patents are stored. And it's one of those things I've probably thought about when I first heard about it is this kind of old, dusty archive, this old, a Victorian style building with levels and levels of different books, right? Hard copies. And it's true, there actually is a location in Alexandria, Virginia, the Patent Research Center. And they do tours just like a museum every day. And people line up and go, I've never been there and would love to. Now since 1790, that's where the patent documents have been kept. And that's where the patent examiners used to go. And the public could go research what has been done before. What is the knowledge base, right? And of course, the internet changed all of that, and the patent office has kept up. So now at USPTO.gov and the new patent center, you can conduct your own search of the archives, of course, electronic version, and look at what's been done before in the industry. Maybe you've got an idea, right? Maybe you have something you think you're on the cusp of. You can go do some research, find out what's been done in that area before. Are you really that different? And maybe it's time to move forward and make your mark in the world and seek patent protection. So there is actually a physical place you can go, but by and large, all those old microfilms and archives have been electronically processed and input into the database. So the current place where patents are stored is, of course, online within the repository at the USPTO. And so I hope that helps answer your question. The other topic to mention here is that there is really another whole area of knowledge that the decisions of the courts, the federal courts, where is that kept? And that's kept within the federal courts at each state, as well as at the federal level, at the federal circuit. And as you might guess, at the Supreme Court as well. So having an understanding of both the technical, right, the patent industry knowledge, as well as the court decisions and the cases. And that's how having a patent attorney on your team, helping right beside you as you move through the patent process, having knowledge of both is essential. And so working with a patent attorney at a firm like Bold Patents is an awesome way to go. So to learn more about us, I'm going to give you a free download. Click below, the Inventor Kit. It's a PDF download. Just click it and you get access to our ABC flowchart, all the different breakdowns of different types of searching you can do, as well as patent applications. And I gave you on the last page my secret success, right? The patent success matrix. So check that out, learn more about what's involved, how to make money with patents with Bold Ideas. All right, everybody, have a great day. I wish you guys an awesome one. We'll see you next time. Go big, go bold.